For the last 6 years, I delivered charge to the graduating class. It is one of the toughest duties as president to try and say something meaningful that is also something new under the sun. Your time at Sweet Briar was marked by 2 world historical events. The first was COVID. The second world historical event was the demand for racial justice. So here's my charge to you, class of 2023. Having come of age at the time of pestilence and racial reckoning, you will have thought long and hard about what it means to belong to your community. As you craft out of great diversity the oneness toward our common fate, you wrestled with what it means to be a democratic citizen. And I admit you to all the rights, privileges, and obligations pertaining to the company of educated women.